Welcome to Arc Dev Labs. It's good to see you.
Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see some intermediate commands of Git Bash. So in previous video what we have seen some beginner friendly command of Git Bash, and also we have created a server using Git Bash. Now in this video we are going to discuss what is cd dash command, what is history command, and many more commands, right? So I think we should start. So first let's clear. Okay, so first I am going to use cd spacebar dash command, and what we are seeing it also gives me a pwd. Okay, and basically this command is used to find out last location. Means if I am at Delhi and going to Mumbai, so my last location was Delhi, and if again I move to Delhi, then my last location is Mumbai. So it basically tells about last location where I was. Okay, so if I change directory and I will go to arc, first do ls. Okay, so change directory to arc devlag. Okay, now I will do cd dash, and as you can see that my last location was at desktop. Okay, again I will do this, so it will see my last location was arc devlag. Okay, is that clear to everyone what was cd dash command? Now my next command was my next command is history. So it will tell about all history what we have done till now. Okay, let's type history, and it will tell which command and how many commands we used till now in my terminal. Okay, so it is very basic command, I think. Okay, so there is a double exclamation command. Okay, and this command will tell you how many repeated last actions. Okay, like what we have done in last, it will repeat it and show it in the code. Okay, so this is basically double exclamation command, right? Okay, again I'm doing right. Next command is grep command. So what is grep command? It basically search words inside the file. Okay, so for example there is a book and you want to search a particular word in a book, then you go and see where is the word. Basically, if let us let's take example. So there is a b.txt file, right? b.txt file, and if I want to read what content inside b.txt file, then I will do cat b.txt and it will show. Okay, so as we can see that there is a text. I think there are many text. Okay, there is a hello word. So if I want to search hello, okay, so I will write a command grep which word I would like to search. So I would like to search hello, and then which type of file. So it is in b.txt file. So basically it want to say that in which file would you like to search a particular word. So I would like to search a particular word in b.txt file, and the word is hello, and I am using grep double bracket double noted comma hello and then space bar, and then we have to write b.txt, and after doing that we have seen that hello word printed on my screen, right? Should we move to next code? Okay, right. So let's see. I am going to nano b.txt. Okay, and I am going to write, okay, control X, control, sorry, not control, okay, and cat b.txt, sorry, my bad, b.txt. Okay, 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 again go to b.txt and remove this, right? Okay, remove this, right, and control X, Y, and this. Okay, if I again want to see cat b.txt, so it's my bad, why am what? Okay, say I am going to find dot dash right, and in a b dot txt. Okay, okay, find unknown predicate, right? Okay, so what would I like to say here? There is a command find. Okay, it searches files or folders. Okay, where it is present. Okay, so if I want to write file, so if you would like to search file, okay, anywhere, this is anywhere, then you can find it. So if I would like to find dot and then name, which type of file I would like to prefer. So first go back, okay, cd dot dot, sorry, control C, I have to back cd dot dot, and then I would like to find a dot b dot txt. Okay, so let's find, let's see, is it visible to me? Not b dot txt. Okay, let's enter. Okay, so as you can see that I find my file that arg.lab slash arg.lag and slash b.txt. So basically find command is used to search any type of file or folder in the system, right? Okay, so next is I think next we should take move or rename, we can say that. So let's see, move b.txt, okay, to where should I move it? I think I should move it to b dot txt, right? Move cannot start b dot txt, no such. Okay, so I am on desktop. Just change the directory. What is directory name? That is argdevlag, okay, and then move b.txt to b.txt, and it has been moved. Now I will do ls. As we can see that there is no b.txt file, it has been moved to b.txt file. Okay, now my next command is head and tail. So if I want to see what is the first page of a particular file, then I will do head of b.txt, and it is shown that hello, this is argdev labs. Okay, this is the head of our b.txt file. Okay, now our next command is wc, that is word count, how many words in a particular file. So if I go word count in b.txt file, then it shows 8853 b.txt, means there are, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 words in the b.txt file. Okay, so what should I do next? Our next command is curl. It calls basically APIs. So what I would like to say that if I call like curl http colon backslash localhost 3000. So it basically what it does, it will do API call and sends the response from the server on localhost 3000. So I will do enter and it sends the HTML file that I written on the server. Okay, so I already this server is working on localhost 3000, so that's why it is working. Otherwise, if particular localhost 3000 is not um, working, then it will not send this code. Okay, so I can tell you what is basically is this. Let's go. So this is basically is this. Okay, localhost 3000 it is running on, right? And this is basically why API workflow. Okay, do not take tension, this is not necessary. I just want to tell you what is curl command. It basically sends uh, data from your server. Okay, localhost 3000. As I think you know what is this command, curl command, right? Second is alias, right? Alias. Okay, alias basically giving a nickname like gs equal to git status. Okay, so base alias gs is not found. Okay, no problem. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. There is no space bar. Okay, I think it should be work. Enter. Okay, so I will do gs fadl, not a git repository. Okay, so there is no git repository. That's why it is not working, right? Let's do clear. It's a basic command, clear command. Okay, so first we are going to see what are git status, what are git add dot, what are git commit, right? So for this we have to create an repository in GitHub. So before creating git repository on GitHub, first let's go on our server folder. Let's go on server folder, change directory to server. Okay, ls command using, right? Okay, so git init. So initialize empty git repository. So as you can see that we initialize our git repository. So before pushing to git repo, before pushing to git code, before pushing to any code on GitHub, first we have to initialize it, and then we have to git add dot. Okay, warning. Okay, so here there is warning. Why warning is given to us? Okay, so here it is giving warning that node modules. So there are many things that we need to focus, or we need to know that which type of files we should not push on GitHub, like node modules, .env files, package.ation files. So these files should not be pushed on GitHub. Okay, right? So I think I should create a file touch.git ignore. Okay, I already created. So nano dot git ignore. Okay, and then I will put node modules, right? Okay, control X and then yes. Okay, so I will put git add dot. So warning, making copy of, okay, so it will work. It will not push your node modules on GitHub, right? Now I will going to git commit -m and I will do initial commit. Okay, and if you are beginner it is a little bit difficult to understand, but if you are developer and you know what, how to write code, how to create websites, you know what I am doing right now. Okay, so git commit, right? So created node. Okay, it has been created. everything has been created, right? Next, what we should do, so I'm not here to tell um, which type of file should I push or not. I am here to tell you what git command is used to do, right? Here we see what is git state, what is git init, what is git add dot, what is git commit, and what is git status. As you can see, if I put git status, so git status is showing git is still not git command, git status, sorry, git status. So git status is on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay. Now if I want to check logs, git log, so commit this, author this, so it's my account, right? It will, so what did I commit right now? Okay, so I will see git branch. Next command is git branch, git branch. So which type of in which branch I am currently now? So I am in branch that is master branch. Okay, if I want to change my branch name, so git checkout branch name, here I can see, right, agent error, agent did not match any file known to git. Okay, git checkout branch, right? I think git checkout agent, right? Okay, no problem. I think there is some mistake in my code or not. Okay, I think git checkout. Mm, git checkout slash is it code? No, git checkout slash agent. Okay, so git, I'm going to taking help, right? Okay, so here is where is the code? Where is the code? Okay, okay, git help. Okay, restore bicep log branch, reset switch tag, fetch, right? There are many commands that uses git. Okay, so for me, where is it checkout? I think it's did I create it or not? So okay, leave it. I will tell you in further lectures how to, when I will build a project, I will tell you how to do this. At that point you will understand very clearly, right? So till now we have seen different type of intermediate codes, intermediate commands. So in for moving next, I recommend you just practice it, and after practicing move to next. Okay, so I think I should move forward and create a fully web project just using by Git Bash. Okay, so should we start or not? I think should we start. So I am going to create a fully project, that is full stack project, right? In which I am going to write front end in HTML plus JavaScript, backend in Node.js server, API that connects both, and Git that is version control, right? So let's start. I'm going to write some code here. Okay, so for this I'm going to back on desktop and create a directory that is full stack. Okay, change directory and come on to full stack. Okay, Let's create another directory on this, that is backend, right? Now change directory to backend and then npm init dash y. Okay, I already told you in previous lecture what is npm init dash y. I'm initializing my node. Okay, after that npm install express course, right? It is dependencies installing. This express is a package, core is a package, install. Okay, now create a file, touch what server.js. Okay, and go to server.js and write some code const express. As you can see, it is very basic. There is no need to require and then write express. Okay, I don't think so you need to take tension. It is very simple basic codes. If you know how to write backend, you can write it very easily, right? Now const course, okay, equal to require, and I think it's course. Okay, see, now initialize your app, const app equal to express. Okay, is that clear to everyone? Okay, just comment below if you don't understand. And app.use, okay, app.use will be course, right? So will be this. Okay, so app.use express.json. I will explain you after writing code. Okay, so let's create a API route, app.post. Here I am going to create API route slash API slash register. Okay, request comma response, and then there is a arrow function. Okay, you can write const this, okay, name equal to rec.body, right? Then you can console.log, and then you can write user. Okay, don't come on this. Okay, user. Here you can put name, right? I think that's wrong. This and its name. So basically it will post name, okay, on the server. Okay, rest.json, and here what we need to write message and then register, right? Registered. Successfully. Okay, right. I think I just need this code. Everything is done. Now I have to start server app dot listen. On which port? 3002 port. Okay, 3002 port, and then I will create a arrow function, right? Console.log. What we have to console that server is running successfully. Okay, server is running successfully, right? Okay, so close the brackets and okay, so our backend has been done. Control X, yes, enter. And if I do node server.js, what will, okay, what it is giving unexpected input. Okay, Syntax error unexpected. So what is the syntax error? Okay, so nano, let's go into server.js and see where is the syntax error. Okay, there is a syntax error. Okay, I think I did not actually use, so app dot, one second, I think app dot use course, everything is fine, then why it is showing me error? Okay, course, everything is correct. Okay, const app as it is also correct, app dot use course. Okay, app dot use representation, right? I think everything is correct, then why it is giving me error? Okay, require access. Okay, name, the body, username, response, right? See, everything is correct, then why it is giving me error? I think the error is from here. Okay, understood. The error is from here, right? I think it should be done. It should not give me error. Okay. Node server.js. Yeah, our server has been successfully, our HTTP server created. Okay. Now, let's go on. Let's close it. Okay, and create our backend. Create our front end. Cd dot dot cd mkdir make directory front end, right? Change directory to front end, right? I am back to the front end and I'm going to touch file that is index.html. Okay, and I am going to write in this file index.html to cy. And I think control X, right? HTML, right? Okay, so nano, and then we go back to this. Okay, so let's create it. So I think you should know what is the boilerplate of this HTML. Okay, you should know everything, you should know, because sometimes in interviewer asks you to let's write code without any using editor, so that's why you need to know everything. Okay, so I'm writing it manually, that is I'm going to take it as event and that's slash dit title. Okay, then here what we put, should we put head, right? And then here we should put body, right? And I think also we have to put a close bracket here. Okay, here I also should put a close bracket body, and in body I have to put here that is HTML. Okay, so here we have done, right? Next what we need to write, let's first write header, it is header our h1 and then close bracket and h1. Okay, write it. Event registration. Okay, event registration, I created my head. uh, Controls X, yes, enter, and what we can write, start index.html. Yeah, it should be start. Yeah, as you can see, um, our front end part, right? I only put event registration like head, so it is working fine. Let's go nano index.html. Let's complete our complete code. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, just give input. Okay, it's input close bracket and then just give input. Okay, what we have to write here is in this we have to give id. Id is what? Name. Okay, placeholder. Placeholder is what? That is enter your name, right? Is there anything we need to write it? I don't think so there is anything need. Okay, I don't think so. Right, now we have to create a button. Okay, now we have to create a button for this. We have to create a button. Okay, so we have created button. In this, what we can write, we will put event listener on click equal to register. Okay, that is a register function, right? And then register. Okay, this is what we need here. Now I will do my script. I'm going to write my script. Okay, see carefully one by one step. It is very easy if you know how to write. Okay, here I am using async function, right? Here I am using async function register. Okay, async function, that is register, right? I think here I am wrong. Yes, this is right. I think it should be wrong or right. I don't know. So sometimes it is very difficult to know. Okay. So here is const name equal to document dot get element by id. Okay. Here what is id name? That is what is id? Id is name, right? Dot value. Okay. I'm making a const await and fetch. What should we fetch and from where should we fetch? http localhost. What we have, right? Listen, for this 2002 slash API slash register. Okay. From where we have to fetch the data. Okay, and I think I should put comma here, and there is also we need to know, that is method. We have to write which type of method I am using. So I am using post method, right? Because I am posting headers. In headers, what we can write? We can write content type. Okay, content type is what? Content type is application slash JSON. Okay, application slash JSON. Okay, I think it's good. It's pretty good. Let's just close it and just close the bracket, comma, and then move forward and then write body. In body, what we are going to put, that is JSON dot stringify, right? Stringify, and I'm going to put it name here and close the bracket. Okay, and I think here we have to close our bracket right now. Okay, so I close the bracket and I am going to create const data equal to await and restore JSON, right? I know it sometimes it little be what I can say, seems to be difficult to understand, but you should, and it is not that much hard to understand. Okay, so I think I should save it. Control X, Y. I think I should check first, is there any cons response? Okay, so there is a mistake. I think I should put enter, and then again I have to go with this, and I think I made a mistake here. It is const await equal to, okay, everything is I think right. Const await content type, so let's start it. Okay, okay, so start index.html. Okay, oh, see how beautiful is this, how beautiful, how beautiful. Okay, enter your name, Raghu, and register. Okay, so it will not work still, because I think I should correct. Okay, so I have to open both servers, right? Okay, so to run my full project, I have to use two terminals, right? In first, I have to run my front end, and in second, I have to run my back end. So let's go and run it. So again, I'm going to open next window right here. Let's start. Where is Git Bash? Let's run it. Okay. I'm going to my full stack. Okay. Change directory to backend and then run nodes server.ts, right? So server is running and then I have to go back and then register. So I think I should go to that path, right? Let's go. HTTP localhost 3000 2 slash API slash register. Hmm? Why once what happened? What happened? What happened? Error is occurring. Why it is happening? Let's see. Let's see. Why is it happening? Why? It's my mistake. I did some mistakes in my code. Let's see again my code, right? So nano index dot HTML, right? So as you can see that, right? So this is the correct code. Am I right? I did it correct. Okay, I correct it. So this is the correct code here. What we have to do, I think this is and something is wrong. I think so. Okay. Let's wait a moment. I will fix it. And after that, run code. Okay. Okay, so I think it should be run. Let's okay, so start. So I think it should run the code. Start next dot. So for before start running, I think I should do this. Okay. So where is this? First, I think I should start my server. Node server.js, right? Server is running successfully. Now I am going to deploying it, right? If I'm going to write it as register, see, registered successfully, okay, and the user has been posted here, right? If I put any other name, right, Raghu, then it will, I will register successfully, and here Raghu will be shown. So as you can see that my fully frontend and backend is working properly. So to run both the frontend and backend, we have to open two windows, in which one window will run frontend and one will run backend. So you can also run only one window, because once we start our frontend, there is no need to start again. Just need to start our backend. So you can run directly. There is no need to uh, open other window, right? So keep practice. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.